Hey Nancy, it's Jessica Peterson. Thank you so much for talking with me today. I am so super excited to be able to share this video with you because I know that if you start applying these strategies right away, that it's going to make such a huge impact for you guys. I'm just so excited because I know what a difference it can make. These tried and true tips that I'm about to share with you, we have used with over 50 other restoration companies just like you guys throughout the United States, and it has made a huge impact to their business, helping them reach their goals and help more people. And I know you're probably thinking, well, what is the purpose of this video, or why is she doing this anyways? And that's really a good question. It's fair to ask. And the answer is I am so passionate about working with restoration companies because of what you guys do, um, who you guys help, the things you're doing in your community. You guys are working so hard. You're helping families that have been displaced get their lives back. And to me, that is so important. So if I can share just these few tips and you guys could take it and run with it and apply it and bring in more revenue, hire more people, do more jobs, help more people, or whether you choose you want to make this happen faster and hire us and work with us directly, either way doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, you've applied these strategies. It's helping you guys, it's helping you reach goals, and you're serving more people, helping more people, and that's really what it's all about. So, today we're going to walk over 3 tips you can start applying right away. And the first is going to be content. Then we're going to talk about, oh my gosh, I just went blank. I'm sorry, content, citations, and backlinks. Okay. So, when it comes to Google and ranking online, Google does not rank websites based on appearance, it is based on content. Content is key, and you need a ton of content. So, we're not just talking about an image here or there, we're talking about images, video, and written content. Your images should always be saved with your local keywords people are actually searching. Like here it says header. That actually doesn't help you. So you want to be saving every single image on your website with your local keywords. So San Diego water damage, San Diego restoration company, that type of thing, okay? And you need a ton of written content. This homepage is the most important page of your entire website. It needs a lot of written content built around each of the services that you offer, and can even be about who you guys are, okay? But the content needs to be built around those local keywords, because Google sends crawlers to your website, which are little robots that scan every single one of these pages, to learn about who you are, the services you offer, where you do those services, and they're looking through that content and those keywords. So when there's no content on your website and there's no keyword strategy, how is Google supposed to know who you are to be able to send you customers, right? So you guys have to work on a content and keyword strategy. This homepage needs at least 1,500 words of written content built around those keywords. And if you find your competitors have more than 1,500 words, you need more than them. So if they have 1,500 words, you're going to need 1,800 words. So you want to make sure that you have your homepage with a ton of content, but that all of your pages have content. So you have pages for all your services and each of your service areas, and work on those blogs. Just get that content on here. That's going to be really, really important so Google can index you for keywords and begin to help rank you. Now, if we look at your top competitor for water damage in San Diego, we have Certified Restoration. Now, they have a decent website. They have more content than you guys do. So you have to always have more content than your competition. And you can also see they're focusing on those local keywords. So you gotta go after those local keywords as well. And so you just need to do better. Now, these guys have a ton of pages and content. They've got pages for every single service area, and they got tons of long form blog content. So while these guys are definitely beatable, it is going to take a lot to be able to do that. You have to work on a content and keyword strategy. And when we talk content, it's not just the content on your website, it's also the content on your Google business profile. Okay? Because if your website doesn't have the right content and the business profile doesn't have the content, Google has nowhere to send them. Okay? So when a person, as we both know, when people do a search, they're going to search for key terms for whatever service that they need. So we want to make sure that your business shows up when they do those search. And so there's 3 spots on Google generally that your business can show up. And the first one is going to be ads, and those can be cost per click ads, local service ads, which is normally on the top here. And as long as your website and your landing pages are dialed in, you got everything dialed in, ads can be really beneficial. But if you don't have everything dialed in, you can actually lose quite a bit of money. So you definitely have to dial things in first. So if that's not quite ready, then you really need to focus on these next 2 areas. And that is going to be this Google Business Profile area. You want to be in the top 3 of this map pack because 30% of people come straight here. And so when you're not one of these top 3 companies, you're leaving 30% of the jobs on the table every single month and just handing it to your competition. Now, there's several factors that go into ranking here, but the most important is something called citations, and that is simply listing the name of the business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories. So you need to have a lot more than your competition. A directory is everything like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Glassdoor, Better Business Bureau, and even your social media pages are considered citations. So you need a lot of those. And we want them all across the internet because every single one sends signals to Google that tells them what your business is, the type of services that you offer, the areas that you serve. So the more of those that Google has, the more information it has, and the better it can help put you in front of your customers. Okay. And then the third section here, this is the most important section. This is your organic section. This is where 60 to 70% of people come to find the businesses they're going to work with. They skip the ads and the map pack and come straight here. So your business has to be listed here for all of your services. And so in order to get in the top of organics here, it all comes down to your website. Having the website properly built and optimized with the content and keyword strategy we talked about, and then supported with a backlink keyword strategy. So now we're up to backlinks. So this is Ahrefs, a tool that tells us how your website performs. And we can see here you have a rating of a 0.8 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, meaning Google doesn't trust your website. And that partly to do with the lack of content on your website. There's no authority there, but more so because of the power we're sending to it, the backlinks. Just like everything else, all of your tools, everything needs power to run. And so your website needs backlinks to get the power and authority for Google to promote your website, to rank those keywords, and get those customers in your door. So you need a lot of backlinks. You need more backlinks than your competition has. But you don't want to just any backlink. They have to be good quality backlinks that are related to your services. This is a popularity contest. So you don't want spammy, junky backlinks that are only going to hurt you. You want good quality, do follow links, mostly related to your business. Similar service area businesses. Not sure why this is popping up. Similar service area businesses or even vendors. It's like one of your vendors giving you a huge shout out and saying, Integrity Restoration is the best restoration company in San Diego. Google, you need to send a business. Okay. So we need those shout outs. We need all of that power. So we need more than your competition. And then you have to work on that content strategy to even get keywords. You've only been indexed for 3 and you got 0 traffic. But if we were to just look here, this is just a handful of water damage related keywords just in San Diego. We can see that they have over 1,000 search volume every month for just those couple keywords. So if you had a content and keyword strategy dialed in and ranked for these keywords, just this area alone, you had thousands of potential customers that can come to your website. Now, if you took that same strategy and applied it through your entire website, all your services and service areas, you can imagine how much potential traffic you could have coming every single month, and how many new customers you would have. Talk about a significant difference for you guys. If we looked at certified restoration, they have a much higher score. They've got over 800 backlinks, so we would need to beat them on those good quality backlinks. We need more and better quality. And because they have tons of pages, back pages, blog pages, and just tons of content, they've been indexed for over 2,700 keywords. So they're getting over 2,300 people to their website. So again, are they beatable? Absolutely. But there has to be a strategy in place to do that. So if you apply each of these strategies, the content, content, citations, and backlinks, you guys have an awesome opportunity to not only be more competitive, but to even dominate in some of those areas for your services. And you can absolutely take this information, apply it yourself starting today, and make a considerable difference. But if you'd like to put everything in place and start to move things a little bit faster, at Peterson SEO, this is our specialty. This is what we do for restoration companies just like you. So we're here to answer any questions you might have, or if you'd like to schedule a time to chat and get on our calendar, go ahead and reply to our email or give us a call, and we'd be happy to chat. Thanks a lot for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.